Hi, Dr. Mims. This is Ann here. I'm having some issues with my professional development website. I didn't realize I had to confirm my domain name, and so they temporarily blocked it. Hopefully, it'll be back up in the next day or so, which because they're blocking it caused issues with my computer. So unfortunately, I'm going to give you a tour of what I've created via my phone. So this is the mobile view. The desktop view looks a bit different, but it's pretty much the same. So I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what I've created, and then I'll also upload my CV that I adapted yours with my data. But I wanted to show this website's really what I've been working hard on. So we go to my homepage, shows a little bit here, and I'm just going to scroll down through here. Oops, that's not the right thing anyway. We'll hit about. Okay, so then it goes into my about me. Just give a little bit of overview who I am, some of my experience, residence, fun facts about me. And I'm going to keep scrolling through this, and you feel free to hit pause if you really want to read any of this data. Then I chose a quote that I thought was relevant and by Michelle Obama, and I put that on there. Then it goes into my professional memberships. Right now I've got the Nebraska Counseling Association. I need to put in the the ACA membership on there. Then I went into why am I becoming a therapist, kind of my reasons behind going into this adventure. And then it gets into my resume. And as you can see, I'm scrolling down, but on the top here, you also have their menu. So you could just push resume and it'll skip you to that section. This goes into my professional experience that I've have so far, and then my educational experience. Skills, I chose these skills based on some of the research on that I found for what are applicable to a counselor. So I put those in. Some of the language information, knowledge, I just focus this on, these are the 2 courses I've taken so far in the coursework, so that's why I put on those. And then professor feedback, and eventually I'll populate that with it's a scrolling thing where I can put feedback on there. Then I get into the educational portfolio, which is really, the most important thing. I have it broken down into papers, discussion posts, courses, and continuing education units. So I'll just go into right now your course, legal and ethical professional issues in counseling. And so what this is going to do is open up a page. I had just been editing it this morning when it crashed. So on the top, it's supposed to have the amount of credit units, and then eventually I'll put my grade that I got in the course, and that'll be right up here, right underneath the title. But evidently that didn't save when I was updating it. So it goes into, and each course has this exact same information: the course title, the instructor, the date that I took the course, course description from the syllabus, and then the text resources that we used in that course. And then I'm going to link right here the pertinent coursework according to this course, and then the syllabus. And the syllabus, you can see it's just to upload a document that you can scroll through, but you can also click on it here and make it expand it bigger, but I'm not going to just because I don't want to mess up my phone layout here. So I'm going to go ahead and click back to portfolio. Some of the other things that I did, so we'll go to discussion posts. So I'll go to your class, the legal, ethical, professional issues. What I did is I pulled down the discussions posts that we've done in class, and either I've uploaded the writing that I did, the actual writing. So like chapter 1, I described kind of what our task was, and if I could put the scenario in there, I did. And then for those, I had videos, so I uploaded the videos. You get down here into where I was really writing stuff. So this is a miscommunication case. Again, the information that was provided, and then my response post, and then you just click on it and it'll make it larger, and you can see the information that I wrote. Let me go back here. Sorry, my internet's kind of slow. It's crazy windy out right now, so we'll see. So I did those for those items. I also have the papers, so I've written a couple papers for my multicultural class with the other Dr. Mims. And then I added some continuing education units for the Nebraska. I'll click on that right here. So these are the couple meetings and conferences that I attended. So for like the Nebraska Counseling Association one, clicking on that, I broke it down by the speaker and then gave a little bit of a synopsis on what each of those speakers brought. I put the speakers that I attended, and then for this particular one, they also posted the videos for the other speakers. So I'm listening to the other speakers so that I can make a synopsis to put on there as well. But as you can see, I have the twirling orange clock of death right now. So obviously, it's not working too well. Fun times. I'm going to pause real quick. Okay, I apologize. I just keep getting that spinning wheel of death, so I'm just going to keep scrolling on this main page. So after my educational portfolio, and again, I have the CEUs, courses, discussion posts, papers, categories. Eventually, like once I start actually publishing articles, I'll go ahead and add those categories as well. But then we get down into self-reflection, and this is areas where I'm going to be tracking my professional development, my self-reflections as we do those activities in courses or in the coursework, as well as anything that I'm finding that I think is pertinent to share. And then this is my resources section. Just wanted to give an outline of educational programs, associations, things that I found helpful as I'm going through my coursework, and then a get in touch thing to show how people can get in touch with me. So in a nutshell, I apologize. Hopefully that my domain comes up and you can get in there and explore yourself. I was having a few issues with the portfolio, trying to show both the courses that I'm in right now. So it's just probably user error on my part, but eventually I'll get it figured out. So with that, that's my professional portfolio. Thanks so much. Bye.